How to use Betway. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can use Betway, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whether you're using the Betway app or the Betway browser, doesn't really matter. The process is pretty much the same, and I'm assuming you've already logged in and created an account and done everything. Now, whenever you are logged in, you can see the home page looks somewhat like this. At the very top of the screen, you can see categories, which is varies from sports, in-play, casino, live casino, Vegas to esports, and so many others. And from the bottom, depending upon the categories that you have selected, you'll see the bets and the games that are currently happening and that are available. So if you'd like to place a bet, you can select that. If you look at the bottom, you can see feed, you can see promotions, you can see banking. If you want to link your banking, you can go to my bets to see the bets that you have currently posted, and you can also go to blackjack option. Now the other thing is, if I tap the three lines option from here, I can simply choose to withdraw my money and do everything by just going to this my account section and going to deposit if I want to deposit money, going to withdraw, pending withdrawals, opening bets, and so forth. This way you'll be able to use Betway. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.